Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Here Garage Bots again. My name is Irvin. I'm here with my builder Titus.
Titus.
My builder, he does all the work in all my cars. You have seen some of his work in my McLaren and in my R8. Gonna put his information down below. And today we're doing work on my Mercedes GTS. I haven't done much content on that car because I wanted to make some changes, and Titus is helping me with that. And today we're doing something special. Titus, what are we doing?
Oh boy. Today we are changing up the final little detail of this build. Seatbelts. We are going from the factory black seatbelts to red from Seatbelt Planet. There's so many circumstances that came together in the final stretch. They actually built them yesterday, overnighted them, and we have them today.
Awesome.
They just received them. It's the biggest favor. Thank you, Neil. Thank you, Will. That was undeserved. Thank you.
That's awesome. I'm gonna put their information here. They do an extremely great job, and the customer service has been tremendous.
I've been using them for years. They're my SEMA sponsor for 2023. I can't thank them enough. Their product is what drew me to them, and I've been using them exclusively for years.
It's just awesome. So let me show you inside the car to tell you what he has dismantled, and we're gonna see some swatches, some samples of what they do over there, so that you get some ideas. All right, guys. So here we are inside the car. The seats are removed. Titus removed the whole mechanism. Was that hard, Titus?
There have been other more difficult tasks on this job.
Yeah.
On this car, I'll show you.
Yeah, we're gonna see other things, but it's all dismantled and ready for installation of the new seat belts, which I'm gonna probably show in a separate video. But yeah, I can't wait for that. I think that's gonna add to the detail. As you can see, you know, the floor mats, all the stitching is red. I might change the steering wheel at some point. And the strut bar, we're adding the strut bar in red, which we wrapped. Look at that. That's gonna look awesome too. So the seat belts was something that you can actually see from outside the car, and I'm really looking forward to it. But let's see some of the swatches that they have, so that you can get some ideas. All right, Titus, these are the swatches. This is the color I selected, right?
Yep. After analyzing a lot of options, this just made the most sense. I think their name is Flame Red.
Flame Red. Yep. That's gonna match nicely.
They have a variety of shades, literally for every formula. I've used this before for RX-7.
This was a cool option too for
plaid.
Porsche people. I mean, they really love plaid.
It's awesome.
And this was another option I looked at, but I really wanted something to pop.
Yeah. BMW lovers.
Oh, there you go.
There is nothing more BMW than that. I've used this brown or this. I'm not sure which one on a Hummer build once.
Very cool.
Literally, I've been using these products and
look, I have my friend with the Lambo. Yeah, he could use this. That would look awesome. No, I mean, they have every color possible. I'm sure they have more than
they
that.
Also do custom designs.
Yeah.
If I'm not mistaken. I'm not trying to plug them exclusively, but truly, you can send them your own file, and they can actually print belts as well.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Seatbelt Planet, guys, and let's have a little bit of an unboxing now.
Yep.
All right.
Here.
Cool. All right, Titus, let's do some
Like I said, these were built
unboxing.
yesterday in
They
Oklahoma.
were built yesterday, shipped out
Oklahoma.
yesterday, and they arrived today. That's awesome.
Thank you again, Will and Neil.
Will and Neil, they did a great job.
I look forward to seeing you guys at
And
SEMA this year.
I'm excited. I'm excited. Oh, look at that. I can already see it. That's gonna pop nicely.
I feel like we need a reaction video.
Oh man, look at that. That's gonna look sick.
Everything is done.
Beautiful.
DOT approved.
That's great quality material too.
Beautiful.
That's gonna
August
be
2023.
That's gonna be great.
Newest part of your car.
Wow. I mean, great job, Seatbelt Planet. Again, their information here. I'm super happy. That's gonna look incredible. And I'm gonna finish this video after the installation is ready. So I'm gonna pick up the car tomorrow. No, the day after tomorrow. And then
It might be tomorrow. I think my goal is for tomorrow night.
Well, let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see. If it's not tomorrow, then the day after tomorrow.
This to happen overnight, so.
It's all right.
Again.
It's all right. Thank you, Titus. As always.
Thank you so much.
You're a champ, man. And guys, remember to subscribe. Kudos again to Seatbelt Planet. We'll see you again soon. Take care.